What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Pepe community, I am back with another video for you guys. This Pepe charts that we're gonna go through today, it's gonna be mind-blowing, okay? The Pepe chart, man, it is so strong, and people are calling it a meme coin, right? But it is such a strong chart, guys. Like, you know, absolutely mind-blowing stuff from this project. I don't know why people are fading it, but they're probably gonna be regretting it going into the bull cycle, man. I know how retail investors think. I know how degens think. They want to get rich quick. They want to get in crypto the first day in crypto, and they want to get rich instantly. They don't want to wait a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. No, they want to get rich as soon as they get into crypto. And after, you know, a lot of you know, I would say, how should I say, since you know, Doge and Shiba, I think a lot of investors are kind of have burnout for those previous projects. You know, there's a lot of people that say when it comes to the crypto space, it's better to go with newer projects that came out close to the end of the bear market or the start of the bull market, right? And that's what Pepe is, one of those new projects that came out close to the start of the bull market, right? So they say that is because of price discovery, and a lot of projects in the past cycles won't pump like they did before if they already experienced bull markets. Projects that haven't experienced bull markets potentially do much better. Pepe is one of those projects, right? Not saying Doge and Shiba won't perform well, but in my opinion, there's gonna be a ton more upside with Pepe. In my opinion, right? None of this is financial advice. So Pepe community, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Go support my previous Pepe videos, you know, that I posted. You guys could go back and check them out. I really appreciate the support. Now, if you take a look at the Pepe chart, it's holding at $600 million in market cap. Can we really still consider this a meme coin, man, when it's holding this holding 600 million in market cap? You know how many altcoins I have? I have a few altcoins that I am holding that, you know, aren't at these levels of market cap. You know, with $222 million in trade volume, guys. So you can't really fade this, man. You got to go where the money is, man. The attention is. And when you click on CMC, you try to hit search, the first thing you see always trending is Pepe. Always, man. I think, like I said, I think CZ Binance is doing that on purpose. He's doing that on purpose, man. And, you know, there's another project I cover is doing it as well, but we won't get into that. But yeah, just, you know, if there's a ton of awareness, a ton of people talking about a project, every time I scroll Twitter, I see so much engagement with Pepe tweets, man, just all over the timeline constantly. I don't even follow majority of these people, and they always are on my like For You Twitter page, right? Excuse me. They're always on there, just constantly, right? And I think, you know, when retail starts to come back into the space, they're gonna see a project like this. Whoa, this project has so many zeros. If I just put in $100, I can make $6 million. you know that previous mindset that $65 million, right? If it goes to $1, you know that previous mindset that retail investors had in the previous cycles, right? So it could potentially happen again, man, because a lot of people are gonna get into the space thinking like, you know, they're not gonna know much. They're just gonna be thinking I'll get rich like instantly, you know, without doing their own research and stuff like that. And those are the people you're selling your coins to. That's, you know, that's just how the space goes, man. The time spent in the bear markets are the time is the time you accumulate. You get great projects that you believe in, even if it's meme coins. You know, there's gonna be a ton of meme coins that start popping off, man. Like, let's be honest, let's be real with ourselves, and Pepe is gonna be one of those, man. In my honest opinion, Pepe is gonna be one of those. So this is the time when, you know, because the only people that have bought Pepe and brought it to these levels of market cap are the same people that was in since last year, the bear market. I don't think there's many new retail investors that have come into the spaces yet. There's not much new money in the space yet, right? So all of you guys that are here in the bear market, and you have been accumulating, DCing, you got some exposure to some potential memes or exposure to some potential alts that could absolutely go crazy, you're gonna look like a genius come the bull market, because what's gonna happen, there's gonna be a huge explosion in the crypto space just like in 2021, and there's just gonna be a ton of new money that flows in, and that's the time you start to take profits. You know, that's just how the story goes with this space, man. Right? A lot of people come in, they come in at the top, they get wrecked, they leave, and then guess what? It's hype again. They're at the top again. It's at the top again. Then they run back into the space, right? So don't be like that. If you're watching right now, you're gonna be chilling in the future, in my opinion. The base 8, Pepe reaching Doge all-time highs of 133x. Pepe will make so many new millionaires in the next bull cycle. Look at this, man. 133x. So if you got $1,000 invested in Pepe, you could potentially make $133,000. And I really wouldn't rule it out. I wouldn't at all, man. Super bullish on the Pepe community from Maniac. So many leaders and talented individuals inside this community that deserve this opportunity. 14-day projected target. You can see the breakout here. Around a, close to a 42% move. I predict a 40% move throughout the next 2 weeks. If we close a daily candle above, you can expect new all-time highs soon after. New all-time highs soon after. Wow. Jeez, man. Jeez, man. Let's see if Maniac's chart plays out, right? Sherpa, Pepe isn't just a token or a meme, it's a culture. If you know, you know. Pepe is so damn hot all the time. Pepe, #1 trending on Dex Tools. It's always trending on Dex Tools, man. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Dex Tools. You're probably, getting Pepe on exchanges. But look, anytime you check Dex Tools, Pepe is always right there, man. It's always there. #3 right now, guys. So again, don't fade it. There's a ton of degens that a ton of Ethereum whales, which was probably the main reason why Pepe got so high so fast. A ton of Ethereum whales just bought it up, and I'm sure they're gonna buy it up again whenever it starts going crazy again. Right? So yeah, it's more than a meme, it's a culture. If you guys know, the Pepe meme is like so ingrained in investing in crypto and stocks and just day-to-day life. We've seen this frog time and time again. We've seen the frog meme all over. How many telegrams have you joined and you see people using the frog meme, right, guys? So super iconic meme that is like ingrained in our subconscious, right? And that's why I think when people get in the space, when more people get into the space starts getting more bullish, they're definitely gonna get a bag of this, man. As far as new memes that have risen up, have gotten awareness, Pepe is gonna be one of those ones that does very, very well, extremely well, right? I really think so, guys. Like, I'm not even trying to be a moon boy or anything. I really think it's gonna go to like crazy high market caps like Sheep did, if not higher. Like, I really, really do believe that's what's gonna happen for Pepe. Pepe chart literally holding its pump levels better than ETH. LOL. Crazy stuff, man. And the chart that is super great from Fractal, he's showing us the altcoin dominance chart. So from 2015 to 2017, it made 2 tops, right? Falling wedge pattern, and then huge breakout. And it's replaying the same thing here in 2017 to 2023. So next up, guess what happens next? The huge breakout. And Pepe is, a part of the altcoin dominance chart. What are altcoins? Anything that's not Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin dominance eventually is gonna fall, and then we're gonna see huge rallies in a ton of projects. And I think Pepe is gonna be one of those projects, man. Don't fade the Ethereum whales. She was on Ethereum as well, which why it did so great, man. So great. It did so great because everybody went on Ethereum, and the whales on ETH just started buying it up, man. And then they had so many new people that came into the space as well, just buying up SHIB, man. We got huge exchange listings for it, all of that, man. And I think the Coinbase listing eventually is gonna happen because of the volume that Pepe is generating. When it gets back to those, you know, huge run hype levels again, you know, Coinbase won't be able to ignore it anymore. They really won't, because they're not gonna pass up on huge amounts of volume coming to their exchange. They're, you know, people are gonna be telling Coinbase, list Pepe, I can't buy it. Because remember, there's people that only know how to use exchanges. They still don't know, you know, haven't took the time to learn DeFi at all. There's only people that use exchanges. They don't know how to use Uniswap or DEXs, none of that, man. So they're gonna be screaming at Coinbase, list Pepe, list Pepe, and eventually that's gonna happen, man. We also have another chart from Bank Run Total. Let's break it down. So this is the Elliott wave pattern. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and we're going into the potential fifth wave. The total 2 market cap is basically, again, everything that's not Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you know, obviously will make its huge run as well, but total 2, you know, all the altcoins together, they're gonna make a huge run as well. And I really do believe Pepe is gonna be one of those ones that crushes it with everything else, man. It's a $600 million market cap asset. You know, Pepe's probably has a higher market cap than some of the altcoins that you guys, you know, myself included, are bullish on. You know, so guys, I'm telling you, this could be huge, man. Going into the next cycle, Pepe could be so huge and just blow everyone away, man, like Sheep did. I'm telling you, like, don't fade it. The Pepe meme is way too iconic. It's super iconic, and I'm not gonna fade it, so I'm just gonna let you guys know that. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also, become a Patreon, guys. You get I personally recommend my crypto elite tier. You get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. We have a buy alert that I recently posted. You know, it's gonna eventually play out, and I'll be coming back to you guys. See, look at that. You could have got a 3-4x here if you listen, you join the Patreon. That's the first link in the description, guys. Again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Support the previous videos on Pepe or any of my previous videos. Blow this video up, make it go viral. Like it, subscribe, share with your friends and family, man. Get it to 10,000 views. I'll catch y'all in the next one.